In this section of the SolidPLANT 2014 demo, I'll be showing you how to import and export your tag data and PID lists from Excel formatted files. This information can come from SolidPLANT PID or another PID system, or handwritten out in any format, as long as we can get it into a standard Excel format. SolidPLANT can import it. On the screen you see we have our demo plant open. On the right side in the document list we have several items. If I take a look at it, you'll see we have a lot of equipment items here. Some are black, some are red. The red ones are in our plant, the black ones are not, but we have tag data for all of these items. To the upper right of our document list, we have the Tag Manager button, and I'll click on that here. And this opens up the Tag Manager window. The Tag Manager window, we have a component type selection list. This allows you to select equipment or nozzles or instruments, different types of equipment, and import data into those tables. I'll select the equipment type here, and as you can see, all of our data that we have shown in the document list is here. It shows our tag, our descriptions. This information would have either been imported originally, or the items could have been manually created in SolidPLANT. I'll scroll down to the bottom here. At the top we have some functions. We have an import and export tag button. What I want to do is we'll select the export. This brings up the select table box, and I will export the equipment table. And we're then prompted to enter a name. I'll browse to the folder I want and enter a name for this. And then we save that out. SolidPLANT then opens the Excel file that we have just exported, opens that up in Excel for us. Ignore that little message, that's a little glitch on my machine. As you can see, all of the information in our tag database is shown here for all of our equipment. Now what I want to do here, this is one way to create a new tag. I'm going to enter STH101 to create a tag for a new steam header. And I'll write that into the description column also. So this is how you can manually create tag data using Excel. And then now that we've closed out the Excel file after saving it, and I come back to my Tag Manager in SolidPLANT, I will import, and then we are prompted to browse, and I'll simply select the file I just exported and then modified. We open, and the open tag, we assign one of our component types to a worksheet in our file. We only have the one equipment worksheet. And here, as I browse down to the bottom of the import tag data window, you'll see that our new tag, STH101, is shown at the bottom of the list. So we accept that, okay. And now our new tag data is shown here in the Tag Manager, and we have our new tag information there. We save and close. SolidPLANT will close out the window, and then we'll take a look in our document list. Scroll down to the bottom where we were. And there you can see STH101. All we need to do now is create the CAD model itself, and then we can place it into our plant.